I ate them. Do you know when I was frying mushrooms?
Sorry, excuse me.
Introducing the new 33 from Panasonic with intelligent auto.
You need alters. You don't have your medication today. It's too late to take it now. My next lot of medication's due, so I just have to. If I miss it, I just have to. And I thought that
fitting them all in with a 28mm wide-angle lens.
Do you know I'm holding on to this? I don't also like
Capture every scene as it should be, even in low light.
It's
on the camera that thinks. Intelligent
I know you
scenes for great pictures. Lumix from Panasonic. Ideas for life.
Three of the greatest actors of our time. Academy Award winner Robert Redford.
Rome is burning, son.
Got some faces on there. Gareth says, can't you go in and have a couple more off? You just look like you've got
Three-time Academy Award nominee Tom Cruise.
Do you want to win the war on terror?
In the most powerful movie event of the year. Lions for Lambs.
Oh, what a glorious thing to be, helping from nothing, whiling away the passing hours, pinching all the pollen from the morning stars. I'd like to be all the music be, being just as busy as we can be, flying round the garden, sweetest ever seen, taking back the honey to the dear old queen.
Let the power of nature into your business. Simply switch to Business Easy Green. Greener energy from Eon.
Shut! How long, Chef?
Feasters egg, bacon and cheese muffin. 100% feasty. Sponsors of ITV2 Daytime.
2 minutes.
Have you thrown it yet?
What?
Have you thrown it yet?
Yeah. 6.
Tabitha Trosnos, ex-boyfriend Josh
Sue, the rest of you getting the wrong answer. Would you like to get a portion?
assaulted with a stick.
Fuck off, look, have a look.
It's alright, don't worry about it.
Sue, do you want to get a portion?
Just help yourself. Sue, that's it.
She goes, is Josh there? And I was like, he doesn't want to talk to you. So then I asked her,
Back to your son, Alan.
that you're going to ask me up and you don't even know nothing about me. She was like, well, as soon as my car gets back here, I'll be over there to fight you. That night, she came over there with 2 girls. I was not there. His mother and Josh was there. She and 2 other girls came.
You can't put it in one sample.
Did you go over to his house 2 days before? I did not. Did you not see her over there?
Yeah, alright.
Like for his mother?
Yeah, alright.
It's Hannah Montana!
How hungry are you, Dad?
Hungry-ish.
Thank you so much, you guys. That was absolutely brilliant. Now, we've got time for a few questions that were from the audience earlier. So, Joe, this one's for you. Who was your favourite leading man?
Paul Newman.
Oh, wow.
Yes,
Tell us
absolutely.
why. Well, it's obvious why.
First of all, he was a very good friend. Second of all, he's very funny, and he makes the best hamburgers I've ever eaten.
Really?
Of course, he didn't make them on the set, but he's just really great guy. And
wow. Fabulous. All right, well, that's all we've got time for. Thank you very